That's the place where I parked my motorcycle. I don't know what day it is. Day 5th, I guess, or 6th. Darjeeling was good, especially weather wise. But I got sick and couldn't explore much, to be honest. Just walked through the mall road, ate some food, and that's pretty much it. At least the weather was very good. Actually, much more colder than I expected it to be. Next destination is Gangtok, and that's our navigation system. Zeroed the trip meter as well. So let's do it. Tendency to lose the key. So I've taken the air tag. Let's go. Look how narrow the roads are. Thank you, भैया. The maps is not helping the direction. I'll have to ask the locals. Gangtok.
Always a good idea to ask locals for the directions. You can never fully rely upon Google Maps, especially in the mountains.
Now I have to take the turn. Even that's the challenging part. Nope, I can try here. Being tall really helps. Thank you, uncle. Whew. Even though it's cold, my body is warmed up. A nice little warm up. Let me get to the main highway and then we'll talk. That jeep, someone is smoking inside that jeep, and the fumes of that cigarette or smoke is just directly coming onto me. Trying to eat as healthy as I can, because not just fever, but I also had a stomach upset. So I'll try to avoid the junk. I usually do, but sometimes you just can't avoid it. This should help. Entered Sikkim, the first organic state of India. The roads have become much better after entering Sikkim. I hope it stays the same. I think they are part of, yes, National Highway 10. So that's the reason. Otherwise the roads earlier were really narrow, like really. Still 35 something kilometers to go. First chain clean and chain view of the trip. Done around 2200 something kilometers. So God sent.
Once again, the locals coming to my rescue. I was lost and couldn't find directions to my stay until this gentleman reached out and helped me.
Thank you भैया, thank you very much. That's the beauty about people who live in the mountains. Very helpful in nature. Very, very helpful. Whew, finally. And that's the closed road. I almost came through that road and saw the road was closed and then had to make a detour. Not too much to explore in Gangtok other than Mall Road, which are basically same everywhere. So I'll be heading to more offbeat places now. And Gangtok was more of a junction or a point to decide where I want to go and plan my trip. You need permit to ride your motorcycle to Nathula. I have no idea where I'm going with bunch of 17-year-olds.
अबे यहाँ पे हॉरर मूवी थी एक इनकांटेशन बोल के वहाँ पे भी ऐसे पहाड़ वाले मंदिर थे ठीक है.
If there is one thing that I've learned from traveling solo across India, then it's to be friends with anyone, regardless of their age.
Day, I don't know. You will see it on the screen. Should be adventurous day because I'm heading to Nathula Pass and then very adventurous roads of Zuluk, and then I'll be staying there. So let's see how it goes. I've already got late actually. It's 9:25. So in hurry because there is one point where you have to reach before 10 a.m. So should be alright though, but still I don't want to risk it because I paid like 1500 rupees for the pass. So and that the pass has an expiry for today, so I cannot even delay it. Or like so many people literally, I mean it's commercialized, just going up and up. You could feel the air getting thin and it's getting colder now. Literally riding above the clouds. That's how high we are actually.
That's your breakfast. Got few more cups of them. Should be good.
ठीक है भैया, अच्छा लगा मिलके आपसे. Bhaiya got excited seeing a motorcyclist. So he wanted to click photo with me and asked me for channel. But the subscribers are so low that I kind of get embarrassed because let's be honest here, no matter how good your content is, if people see like भाई इसके तो 506 सब्सक्राइबर है, like 500 something सब्सक्राइबर, they'll see हट क्या ही बनाता होगा. They will judge completely on behalf of your subscribers and followers count. They won't see like what's the actual content and like the quality and stuff. The first impression always comes from subscriber or the counts of followers and whatnot.
Now you're talking. After 5 days, more than 2000 kilometers, I'm finally enjoying the ride. A bit too touristy for my taste. Trying to head off to somewhere offbeat. Zuluk should be offbeat though, because these tourists come from Gangtok and they'll go back to Gangtok probably. So
the weather can get really bad and really quickly, so you have to be careful about the weather. Look at the view, so scenic. And that's where I wanted to be actually. Nothing better than enjoying your own company, especially in this scenic views. Greenland or Sikkim? The grass is like lush green and you can feel it actually. Perks of riding solo is you can literally stop anywhere you want to and shoot videos, photos, or whatever you want to do. I can just sit or sleep here. The most beautiful scene that I have witnessed in my entire traveling journey. What a day though, what a day. One of the best days of my overall travel journey, I would say. Of whatever adventure I've done. Incredible day.
good enough for 1000 rupees. Even the washroom seems very clean.
The stay was nice, really worth 1000 rupees. The hosts were nice, and that's the place name. But we will continue to march on to another destination, which I am not sure about, because I have 2-3 places in mind. So let's see where my mind takes me. 170 kilometers of range should be good enough before we find any fuel station. Let's see how many kilometers have we done from my house. 2035, and 200 something kilometers from my place to Indore, which I had zeroed in from Indore. So 2200-ish. Bright sunny day, which actually feels good because the sun here is not harsh as what we have in North India or Central India, I should say. And there is cool breeze, especially now I am riding, so should be good day as well. But I am not sure if there would be anything that would beat yesterday's adventure. Let's see though, you never know. Met a group of riders from West Bengal. Kudos to them because they are riding on a not so adventure bike. So one has Bullet and the front of me is on Apache. So adventure is within you. You don't need adventure bikes to explore places Obviously, if you can get a adventure bike or a motorcycle suited for a specific terrain, then it's a bonus, and it will make your life much easier. But don't make silly excuses that you need adventure bike, you need a GoPro, you need something, you need a drone to just go on an adventure. It won't work. Even if you get those things, it won't work, because that means that you are not the adventurous person. Gone. And the keychain had air tag, so I have no idea where it went. So now it's up to me if I want to backtrack and find the keychain or just forget about it. I guess I'm going to go back for at least like couple of kilometers. Never mind, actually. Luckily it had air tag, so it beeped here. So I don't know how long it was. No, okay. That's the only strap. I don't know where air tag is, but I can hear the sound. There is air tag. I got lucky. One thing that I like about Sikkim is it's much cleaner. Again, that's like comparing with other Himalayan state. It's comparatively very clean. Reached my destination and I can finally fly my drone. Yay! Finally. How bad my luck is. What's the point of flying a drone when you cannot see anything? Hopefully it will clear out. So I'll wait for like 5-10 minutes. It was kind of slow day today, and not complaining a bit, because I've been hurrying things for like since start of my trip, to be honest. And this trip was more about, you know, enjoying myself and then exploring later. But look how the scenic route is, and very clean. So yes, I enjoyed myself today. Didn't explore a lot of places. The only place you see was that huge statue. That's it. And that's how it is. The roads were nice. I got to see the rural part of Sikkim, which not many tourists see. Plus this road, very pretty, really beautiful, very clean, very scenic, and the sun is about to set. So perfect ending of the day, and hopefully that's what I've seen actually. My destination looks very scenic also, a bit of offbeat. So let's see how it goes. Very scenic route. I can do this all day long. All day long, literally. I hope I'm going in the right direction. Look at the flowers. Very dynamic. You have banana trees as well. And that's my destination for today. Just arrived actually. And the view, let's go closer. Breathtaking views. I know I've been saying this a lot, but it is what it is. Look at it.
taking it easy today. Just walking around this cute little village. It's quite far from where I'm staying, so I do have my motorcycle. Very peaceful though. That's their way of life. Quite easy to mount these bags on and off once you get used to it though. I don't know what day it is. Left my house on 31st, and what day it is today? 9th of June, day 10 I guess. I still feel like I've just started my trip, so I don't know. Like, pretty much done with Sikkim. Probably the last destination of Sikkim that I'll be heading to. It's not that far from here, but I'll be taking a detour just to explore the local and rural part of Sikkim. And why not if you have a adventure motorcycle? So yep, see you on bike I guess.
Ate lot of food today. A proper lunch, I would say. But the good thing is that I won't have to stop for like any break. So I can ride at least like for a couple of hours. Everything seems to be closed. Not closed actually, but going under construction and renovation. The bridge, the waterfall. But at least I got to see the rural part of Sikkim, or West Sikkim I should say.
And this is why adventure bikes make perfect sense in India. When the roads turn to shit, they rise straight to the top of the food chain. One of the most challenging part when you ride motorcycle is you have to walk with your boots and carry helmet everywhere.
ये ग्रुप को छोड़ दिया है, तो अभी मैं आपको ढूंढ रही हूँ। पता नहीं आप
How dumb does one have to be to forget their GoPro in middle of nowhere? If it wasn't for this sweet lady,
दे दूँ?
I probably would have never gotten it back.
आप मुझे मिल नहीं रहे हो, काफ़ी देर से हम आपको ढूंढ रहे हैं। आई डोंट नो ये किसका गोप्रो है। तो मुझे लगता है एक बाइकर आया है इधर, शायद उसका होगा। लेट्स सी।
I can see how clean the water is actually. How easy, how easy. Effortless. बंद, गाड़ी बंद हो गई मेरी। गाड़ी बंद। कौन सा गाँव है ये?
This is all adventure is all about. It's not so much about covering places and sightseeing, but also experiencing the different part of India and the culture.
भाई उधर आगे सामने नंबर लगा हुआ है ना, क्या लिखा हुआ है? किधर है ये? एमपी सुना है?
मध्य प्रदेश।
वाह यार, हाथ मिला। अरे वाह यार, कैसे पता तुमको? हैं? वाह यार, स्कूल जाते हो मतलब तुम? हैं? कौन सी क्लास में हो? 6th में हो? अच्छा वाह, फिर तो पता है। फिर तो बड़े बच्चे हो तुम।
साले मैंने बनाया
हैं? तूने बताया? हाँ।
The kids are always fun to talk to, and we had a nice little laugh before I checked into my homestay and call it a day.
Not so much to see, but more about the town, that like it's offbeat and not too many tourists are out there, and it's quite peaceful, and that's why I'm here actually. So and that's where the king had coronation ceremony, in front of this. Quite ancient, even the tree.
I'm so lost in my vacation that I don't even know or remember what day it is. Not just of my trip actually, but like I don't even know like what date it is, or and that's how it should be. I know not everyone can do. People have certain restriction situation. My situation allows me to travel like that, so always gratitude. done with Sikkim, and now it's time to head to another state.
Unbearably cold. And the visibility, I mean, you can see it for yourself.